What up everybody, it's Archie's here and just want to make a quick short video about the Razer Deathadder V3 Pro. So just want to make a quick video and just describe the mice, and basically just want to touch briefly on this beautiful mice. And just waiting for my camera to kind of zoom in on this one. Here we go. So it's a beautiful white color I picked. They come with a black as well as a red Faker edition. So you have a DPI. Just keep catching my face. I'm gonna hide here. Yes, it's just DPI button right there. Side buttons right here. Yeah, 2 buttons, scroll wheel. The sound really nice. Scroll wheel is really silent. Yeah, and side buttons. Yeah, overall great mice. My personal opinion, this mice probably the best mice on the market right now, which is October 2023, for ergo shape, wireless, and lightweight. This is the best mouse you can buy for now. If you're not really into the ergo shapes, the super light, that's your choice too. But with the ergo shape, this beats everything I tried so far, because usually all the wireless ergo shapes, they have something off. Either click's not there, the side buttons are mushy, the scroll wheel is loud or something. So this one so far is the best that I tried so far. So hopefully this quick video make somebody helpful, and don't forget to like, subscribe to my videos, and stay happy. Alright, so we gonna unpack today the Razer Deathadder V3 Pro. We're gonna see what this bad boy. Ooh, look at this white on white. This looks nice. Wow, that looks pretty good. You see, nothing sticks out from this side, like in the previous models, where there's like a mouse, 2 mouse sticking out. Nothing is here. So let's see how it feels. Ooh, this feels really good. Oh yeah. Wow. I just want to say wow. Compared to Logitech, this one is like a little bit rowdy, clicks up crisp, but this one crisp and quiet, and this one has soft touch to it. And the scroll wheel is like, wow, the shape is really nice. Now Zoe still feels like molded into the hand. Yeah, the Logitech feels nice and crispy, but this one feels good. Feels really nice, first impression. So then it should be here a bunch of stuff. That should be some cables. Here's some duals. Deathadder V3 Pro. The recipient thingy. So usually I keep this one nice. So this one here. Yeah, this just feels really good. And then the charging cable is here with some manuals. Oh, it even comes with the side grips too. Wow. Yeah, but the side grips always felt for me like it's too rubbery, too cheapy. There's the Razer stickers, of course, as well. Oh, cable is braided, so even if you connect it directly to the mouse, it still feels nice. And I like how they made a white cable to the white mouse, so it's not like a black cable, white mouse. So I bet it's probably black mouse, black cable. I'm wondering the faker edition, the red one, if it's the same thing, if it's the red mouse and the red cable. Yeah, so far feels really good. Yeah, I'm gonna test it out in the game now. And then we're gonna compare my red one here, Logitech Alt Superlight, and of course with the Zowie EC2BC